Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for restaurants on the Get Your Guide application in your selected destination. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the Discover button, then click to the top and type in your destination. After that you should slide to the right side in the middle of the screen and click on Food and Drinks. After that you should apply filters if you want to narrow down your search. Here you can apply filters in terms of time, destination, interest, category, price range, languages, duration, and here you can find the available options. Here you can book it, check out the details and highlights. So here you can find the food and drink section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.